Guys, welcome back to another episode of Kick Your Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today, if you've been watching, then you know we're in a different location. So we were just on the ship. Now we're on land for a while. We're actually gearing up. I'm about to head to New Zealand and then Australia, but I'm headed to the other side of the world. So Southern Hemisphere, I'm coming for you. But as of now, we're doing a couple tips and tricks coming your way. So today is you see a lot of things here. I'm not doing all these tips and tricks today. Actually, I brought out things because I've been listening to you. I asked you to put comments and things here in YouTube. I haven't had a lot of you responding here in YouTube, but on Instagram and TikTok, you guys have been hitting me up for, thank you so much for those as well, because I just want to give you tips and tricks that you actually can use. Now, I can give you some of my favorites anyway, but if you want to actually use them, that's what I want to do. Today, because I don't want to go over everything all at once, you'll be seeing some of these come up. I'm going to go over the biggest thing that I feel like you need in any job, any career, in anything, especially as a chef or doing what I do, which is content creator, chef, instructor, chef, all those things. And that is the correct tool for the correct job. Now, of course, if you know me, then you know that I am a chef and my knives are my best friends. I can't do much without my knives. I mean, there's things we can do without knives, but in the grand scheme of things, like my knife for me is like a scalpel for a surgeon, or, you know, like a race car driver needs a car. So my knife is very, very important. And I say knives because I carry my knife kit with me all around the world because I'm constantly doing things. Also creating the content, I also keep it with me all the time. But I have a second tool that really, really helps me as well. And that is my MacBook. So my computer is also if this is my right hand, this is my left hand. I actually just had to get a new one because of the fact that RIP to my old MacBook, I pushed it to the limit, literally. Started smoking a little bit. I pushed it to the limit. And that was because when I bought that MacBook about 8 years ago, I had not started my podcast yet, but I had already gotten the idea I wanted to do podcasts. I want to do a couple of things, but I hadn't actually jumped into it. Fast forward 2020, I started the podcast, and then I was literally using that MacBook and it did everything. Like, if you know me, I'm a one-man show. So I do everything myself. I'm not saying that I don't want a team. I'm actually getting a team very, very soon, but I'm a one-man show at the moment. And what happens is you're doing so much. And I was just cramming stuff into that MacBook, and thank God it lasted as long as it did. But my new one, yes, because of the fact that I'm bringing you a full show on Mondays, these tips and tricks on Wednesdays, still the full podcast plus new surprise. And some of you probably already know this if you listen to the podcast, visual podcast coming to YouTube as well, starting in April-ish. And then we have the behind the scenes, on Saturday. So we have 4 things that I do each week already. Plus I'm adding on the visual podcast. So I'll be doing that as a video as well. If you know anything about computers and space, and I was just taking up way too much space. And even with this one, I have to manage it very, very carefully because I don't want to do the same thing. But I say all that to say the right tool for the right job. These 2 tools help me complete the job that I have chosen to do. And as a chef and as a content creator, as a culinary instructor, as all those things, you need the right tools for the right job. A lot of times I think we try to Actually, I don't even think. I know a lot of people, we try to nickel and dime, or we try to finagle our way into situations. It's like, oh, well, even if I can't afford this, I can just buy this and it'll get me where I want to get. And that's it. I don't need anything else. But realistically, and this is the thing, and one is about budgeting. You need to always know what you're budgeting for and then put that money to that item, but also understand that if you do cut corners and nickel and dime, and then you have to redo something or start over, the one thing you never can get back is your time. Time is so important, guys. And I mean, as someone who is constantly doing stuff, and the hardest thing about being busy a lot of times, especially when people don't see everything you're doing, is that they don't think you're busy. So they take your time for granted and you can't get it back. And so my thing is, I get the correct tool for the correct job so that I'm not wasting time doing the things I love to do. Plus, it's my job. And I mean, for me, I'm lucky enough and privileged enough to have a job where my career and my job are things I actually love. I was just talking to my big cousin the other day about if we won the lottery. I had flew to Chicago for a birthday party and Super Bowl and everything. And we played the lottery and we were talking about winning the lottery. And it's the first time I can honestly say, and I said it to him, like, there wasn't no cameras around, that if I had won the lottery, I wouldn't have changed anything. The only thing I would have changed from what I'm about to do now is I would have upgraded myself to Delta One on the way to New Zealand and sit in the nice, big, like comfortable chair. That's the only thing I would have changed. I would not stop what I'm doing. I love everything that I do right now. And I think part of that is I have the correct tools for the right job, and it helps me complete my jobs and it takes stress away. So, more of the story, chef tip of the day, correct tools for the right job, or the right tools for the right job, correct tools, correct job for whatever field you're in, whatever you're doing. Just understand that you need the tools and you need to make sure that you are getting those for whatever you're doing. All right, guys. Lots of things coming up. I promise it's going to be even better. I mean, my goal is to always get better and better, but I am listening. I'm adapting. I'm doing things that I want to do, but also what you want to actually see. I've seen what you guys have been liking. You really ate up that crab video. So, yeah, might be doing some other things, some seafood, some crab, maybe some lobster, shrimp, other things like that. All right. See you next time.
Watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.